started with the basic move of 1, 2, 3, lead turn, lady turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead, regular. Cross body lead, inside turn. Lead to a right hand turn, changing hands behind the back. This will get us right to right. You want to ask for the left hand on top. Cross body lead into the Titanic. Lift the left, and we're into this position. We both step forward. 1, turn 2, 3. To go that way. Walking. 5, 6, 7. We're going to flare. Open, 2, 3. Right hand turns outside. 5, 6, 7. Basic, and you're done with the beginner class. So for our advanced class, we did our cross-body lead inside. 5, 6, 7. Then pizza turn. Hold turn and get right to right. You're going to do a small circle as you step forward, big circle while you turn. LA walk. 5, 6, 7. Cross-body switch turn. 1, switch on 2, 3. Ladies, we come in, and you can even be like this or like that. Walking LA walk. 5, 6, 7. Cobra. Back. 1, 2, 3. Guys, go under. 5, 6, 7. Side step. 1, 2, 3. Men hook on 5, 6, 7. Basic, and you're done. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. I will see you next Sunday in class. Bye, everybody.